not get the concept?
Hi guys, it's your girl Shanice Jodian and welcome to our first weekend vlog of 2025. So we're off to a pretty late start today, but we're actually on the road for a little, chill evening. Oh, we have the boys with us around the back. Boys, say hi.
Hi.
What's up? Them in them top, so them not paying nobody no man. Sit back seatbelt, please. Boys, sit back seatbelt. So yeah, we're not going too far still. We're just heading to like the Sovereign Center in Portmore, just to grab like a quick bite. And we're gonna pick up the birthday girl.
3 Oreos around the back.
3 what?
Oreo.
3 Oreos. Your daddy bought Oreos. Where's mine? Let me see, I throw 2 in here. Where's mine? Can I have one? Please. Javier, give me Oreo. Why get so much Oreos? You bought Oreos? You're not even a fan of Oreos. What Oreo? When did you eat Oreo? Give it to me. I know your first pack, but I don't know there's no Oreo eater.
That's mine.
You have to give me Oreo, no man. You have it. You have these as mini Oreos. I'm not an Oreo fan. It's too sweet in my opinion. But yeah, as I was saying, we're heading out for a little bit. We're gonna grab the birthday girl in a few. And then of course we're gonna take you guys along with us to see what we get up to. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Shanice Jodian and I focus on mainly lifestyle, fashion, beauty and business content. So if that's your jazz, continue watching this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe before you leave, because it's all the vibe over here. So yeah, come along with us and let's see how the evening turns out. Hopefully it's fun. So yeah.
Give me the key when the door wasn't open. Just a minute. See, I gave you faith, turned you down and open. Can't deny it. Now I'm all alone and my joys turn open.
I'm gonna have my tripod because we need to invest in a tripod for this car. So I'm gonna come here and I can put on my phone. You want to the eye what I get. So Javi wants me to take out the cream from the Oreo for him. I was like that when I was a child. So me see the butter kiss, but me used to only eat the cream. Here you go, my love. Jamir, would you like some Oreos?
No.
Just the cream only? Would you like the cream only? Yes, fair enough.
No, I want the different one.
Glue.
Tell me about the blue one or the pink one.
Oh, the butter kiss biscuits. We don't have no butter kiss. Did you guys walk with the socks? Let's walk with the socks. Ask Melissa if she have no socks in here. Ask Auntie Mel if she have no snacks. Can't get the boys. So what should I do with this? I should eat this? I see a video the other day when they say the type of parents who like eat from them kids and drink from them straw. Different level. I drink from their straws, don't I?
Good. And the clothes.
I drink from them straw. I don't really scan my kids like that, guys. You know me know you're not drink from them straw. See? That will just lick this off and me eat it. I mean, it's fine by me. They're my kids. They came from me. I don't see anything wrong with that. Which means, how them would I react when them find out to like people literally suck the snot out of their kids' nose. I think I had to do that once with Javi. Suck the snot out. You remember? You do it too. If you know him, I'm scared everybody. So the fact that him suck him son's snot says a lot. But only one son snatching with that so I'm joking. Did that suck my snot? And be honest. We are talking about this, we are talking about Oreo. Do you suck my snot? If I was dying, Jason. Yeah, what? Say the word. Say yes, I would suck your snot. Say the word. Oreo. Yeah, just love it. I'm going to suck your snot though, I'm sorry for you. Get somebody else to do it. I ain't sucking no snot. Oreo tastes surprisingly good. Maybe I come hungry. I'm just in there put on corset. Yeah, but I don't. Not even radish. Don't want to spoil my appetite. You have safe space for the food, what do you mean? I plan to eat a lot tonight, you know. It's my last supper. I'm have gym Monday. The further I say, it really don't make sense. You're working out and all them something if you now eat right. So it's my last weekend of eating out and eating poorly. Thank you, baby. Next week, I'll eat beer salad and them thing there. Just healthy food, okay, guys? And I want you to hold me accountable. Ensure that I eat up my protein, my veggies, my fruits, because you know the body is built in the kitchen. Them tell me that 100 million times. I need to start applying it to my life. Building the body in the kitchen, so that's the goal. So yeah, guys, when your auntie when she come, we can cut and go and get some food. What are you smelling?
Water.
Water? Where's the bottle? Daddy has it. Some water.
You're not even cool. Wait, Riti. Like this. Can you just be nice to me?
What is it, Auntie Mel? Happy birthday. Them trouble.
Happy birthday, Auntie Mel. You know, all of 26.
What? That's so old, man.
Oh.
The old bad. No.
I'm back at home. Closer to 30. You know, can you believe it?
Right, I'm loving the natural look, the lashes it's giving the hair, you know.
This is a classic set, you know.
Yeah,
and it's so
where
full
got them done? Plug the lashes.
Chrissy extended or something like that on Instagram. I don't remember her name. I got her number from my friend Mariska.
Okay, what about the hair?
The hair is from Kay's Hair Extensions.
Okay.
In Spanish Town. Yeah, Canadian.
Okay.
Spanish Town.
Yeah, she did my hair once.
Love her.
Cute. So you did a little flip? Is it a little bob flip thing? Because it's giving flickety flip.
Initially started out as a curl. But because of the length, it kind of just naturally flip. And I love it. It's so cute.
Yeah, cute.
But yeah, it's actually a really old wig. I'm surprised that she did such a good job.
Yeah, but it is.
To be honest.
What's you have something to say? I'm saying about the battery pack. Where is it?
It's a dynamite.
So Jamie, why would you have dynamite? Why would you have dynamite in the car? Why want to set it off in your lap? Jamie, you want to set off dynamite in Auntie Mel's lap? Why would you fall asleep? So Jamie, don't fall asleep. You have to stay up, Bugsy. Alright? We're going somewhere fun. Stay up, okay? Okay guys, so we're currently at Hongwei Mall. We'll let me out. Come my loves.
Then do not bring your tablet.
Can they take the tabs? This is a big ass mall, so we're at Hongwei Mall with the boy. Maybe you can probably bring it. Jamie, don't move. Come back over here.
This building has 1, 2, 3, 4.
It has so many floors. I think
it has 4 floors.
One charger.
So Jamir has been asking for bubble tea for ages. So there is this Hecha bubble tea place over here. So we're gonna take them today.
Oh,
Don't
what is
move.
bubble tea?
Give me the fork. Give
Mommy,
me the
what
fork.
bubble-
Jamir walk with him own fork.
What is bubble tea?
What is what?
Bubble tea.
Bubble tea is like a little drink. Jamir, tell him what bubble tea is.
I want to do that I see in Johnny's video and I want to see what
Him watch it in a Johnny.
and I want to see what it tastes like.
It should be on the first one. Here with the game.
I'm all alone and my joys turn moving. Tell me, where are you now that I need you? Where are you now that I need you? Couldn't find you.
Is this for the baton?
Tan.
Thank you. I'm going to take me out to this.
What is it? Let me see. This is a dog. That's so
Oh, yeah,
cool.
let me
I didn't leave you. I was by your side. So where are you now that I need you?
Thank you. This is yours, my love. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hold it. Oh yeah, which one is this? Vanilla? Okay.
Like this. I'll do it for everybody flat.
Can you scooch over, please?
Okay.
So we got the vanilla milk tea. And we got the lychee. So you can try the lychee melon and see how it is.
Okay, but Mom,
We're testing out the vanilla. I mix it around. Mix it.
You want to try for a taste? No, we're going to do it.
So Jamir is going. Good job. How it is? We have to see if it's. You like it, Jamir? Jamir is taste testing. It has some bubbles in it. Jamir, stop. Let it see your brother.
He's gonna pop.
No, he's not gonna pop it. How does it
Mommy,
taste?
can you taste it?
How does it taste? I tasted
Good.
it already.
Good. Daddy, you want to taste it?
What are you doing over here? Taste testing the lychee. I don't even know what it is. Lychee
Mommy,
something.
can I taste it? I just taste it.
I'm not a fan of fruit, guys. Let's just leave it at that. So let's see how it is. It's not bad.
Ain't a great eater.
It's just a bubble. Like you have to get used to it. It's an acquired taste. But it's not bad. I think it's
Oh, Jamir. Bubble tea. Anyone? It's out of the bubble.
I give it a 6 out of 10. I need to try like other things on the menu to give a better rating, you know, but the light you can go. Thank you. What flavor is this?
Mine? I want some.
Wait, baby. Take out the strand and jam it. Harder.
It's gone too early.
Melissa, no one is a nice rating.
I give it one. I give it one. This is amazing. This is the take this for good, and then the take.
How do you rate it?
I give it one.
100?
No, I just give it 5 out of 10.
So Jamaica gives it a 5 out of 10.
Because it's half good and half bad.
Half good and half bad, so he has a point. So the lychee, the milky one, not really a fan. The lychee can go on, but the fruit smoothie is where it's at. Okay, guys? I think this is like mango, or is a mix of a bunch of different fruits.
Mommy, I want to go up to the next one for 6.
So yeah, the mango fruit smoothies. But
Mommy, what 4 have fish?
which floor of fish? I don't know. The 5th floor, I guess. You can go up top and see. Okay.
Oh my!
Don't shout it.
It's cool!
Let me adjust to the clouds in the sky, guys. Let me show you the clouds in the ceiling.
They moving!
They're moving?
Yeah, see that?
Did that move for you?
That one, even not that one, that
Girl, you know that I need you. Couldn't find you anywhere. You broke, girl, I didn't leave you.
So guys, we finished our little stop at Hicha. I won't be coming back, but the boys like them, so maybe we'll bring them. But personally, it's not for me. Okay, so now we're gonna get some food, and we're here for the full on-way experience. So we're taking the elevator down. There you go. Go, baby. Why are you scared?
yeah, you down.
You scared, Jerry?
What do I even look?
But I'm scared. Why?
Why would you do that? Why would you do that to the poor kid? Okay. No toys today. Let's do. Going to get some food.
And some of my Coca-Colas and no water.
Yeah, so we're at Fish Pot. So we're by Fish for Jamaican because I'm obsessed with fish. I'm thinking I probably like some escovitch with fries and festival. Is that okay? Escovitch with fries and festival?
What's that?
Escovitch fish with fries and festival.
Escovitch fish?
That's like the fish we get at the beach. You don't know what is escovitch, but I thought they had like fish.
I want that fish with vegetables.
Don't show.
I want that fish with vegetables and also my drink is Coca-Cola.
So what's your order?
Fish with vegetable and Coca-Cola with a Coca-Cola cup.
Okay, no problem. What you want?
I want
Afternoon, say good afternoon.
the afternoon, but I want the fish with it. I want fish, vegetable, and Coca-Cola. That's all I want.
Festival. How much festival they come with?
I want two of the other yummy at one.
That's okay. So them have shrimp tacos and chicken nuggets. How long is that? Check your receipt. This is your order, not my order.
Yeah, that's my order. Give me.
Thank you. Alright, thank you. So we gotta wait now. Next step is to wait for the fish. Okay? Alright guys, so we've ordered our fish for Jamaican.
And go to some. I don't know.
So the gang actually split up. Auntie Mel and Javi went to Wendy's to get they more like nuggets and burgers and them thing. Jason went to get us some Chinese. What you? I don't understand how the Chinese ready so quick.
Hi.
Usually it's like 30 minutes tops. No, in a fish pot full up. The amount of people in there are cost. So the Chinese is actually ready. Careful, man.
Okay, let me know.
That they must say don't open it. We have to wait a while for your fish, okay?
Okay, yummy.
Move your finger out of the way. Alright? Got
Okay,
it?
I see you.
So guys, they went to check, well, Daddy went to check on the boys. Well, Javi and Auntie Mel by Wendy's. And we're still here waiting on fish pot because in there kind of pack up. So them tell we're 30 minutes for the fish. And I'm surprised that the Chinese was actually ready so fast. Usually them tell me 30 minutes too. Jamir is vlogging, guys. So if you see him finger on the camera, please forgive him. Okay? Is your finger in the camera, Jamir?
No. Now it is.
Don't put it in. Say that's the pre. We need to get some juice or some water or something. We never order no water. Other than Jamir juice. guys, we're back home. I'm gonna pick up fish for Jameer because it was actually an escovitch.
Mommy,
so you need to pick.
you give me fish and a big I would have put it in my mouth and eat it the whole thing.
I was giving him some in the car, but yeah, I couldn't manage, so I'm just gonna pick it up for him.
What?
And this is actually, they gave us like 2 pieces, so that's not bad. It's just regular snapper fish. I don't even know if this is snapper. I'm gonna put it in the dish. So I'm gonna fill this up for him.
Yeah, me, I'm gonna eat his face.
No, don't eat his face.
Why?
Why you wanna eat his face?
Yeah, yummy.
Put it down. I'm gonna pick it up for you. So we already ate like half of it. We're gonna eat the other half now.
Let her do it.
Yeah, let me do it because you're just messing up yourself.
Eat it.
So I just flip it over like this and just pick it out. I feel like my hands do a better job, but you know. What do you think, Jamie?
Your hand do a better job.
Yeah, that's why I always use my hands.
And mommy, the inside of the fish, yeah, it looked like a booger.
Jamie, what kind of booger can in the fish?
It's dirty. It look dirty.
Dirty.
And now you are killing him.
Can I sit?
I'm trying to break his skull.
Don't break his skull.
Why? Why can't I break his skull?
It's actually very tasty, guys. I had a piece. It's well done. It's very
Wait, mommy, the guy
seasoned properly and everything.
Mommy, the guy didn't even have a skull.
You didn't have a skull?
Yeah, he don't.
It's hollow now because they fried him.
Yeah.
You know, I'm gonna use my hand. I can't deal with this. The fat nah do a good enough of a job. Jamie, put down the fish now, young man.
Look like the one riding this guy used to ride every day.
Jamie is having his fish on the floor. You like eating on the floor, Bootsy? Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and eat too, but we're eating in here because there's actually a repairman in the kitchen because the fridge is leaking or it's not freezing properly, so we got somebody to come in and look at it for us. So the kitchen is a mess right now, so this is my little area here, and I'm gonna eat because I'm starving. I got Chinese, of course, and I got Jason ordered still, but let me look what we got. I told him chicken and black bean for me, and you as usually gets pepper chicken. So this looks like his, which is the pepper chicken, which is chicken in black beans. So it's chicken in black bean, fried rice, and some vegetables. I also asked for a sweet and sour sauce, but I'm not seeing it. But that's okay. So I'm gonna grab on this and then I'll catch up a little bit later. Okay, guys. So I'm done eating. And I'm gonna go ahead with my nighttime skincare, and it's pretty much somewhat the same as what I showed you guys the last time. The only thing different is this turmeric bar that I'm using. It's all natural, and I think I shared with you guys during Vlogmas when I got it. So this is what I've been using so far, and it has been helping in brightening my skin. Like, my skin is looking amazing these days, I'm not gonna lie, and I am so grateful that I found all of these products. So as you know, I use the Good Molecules skincare line, and it has been going good so far. I didn't wear any makeup today, as you guys probably couldn't tell. But yeah, I didn't wear any makeup, so I don't really have much to wash off my face. I'm just going in and getting like the soap into my brows and just giving it a good wash. and then we're just gonna go in with some products. So I'm washing this off. Be able to send
it from one user
to another. So how much for Robux?
Gift card, but you can't send from one user to the other.
How much for Robux premium? Find out though, if it's not that expensive, we can get it for them. Boys want Robux premium, guys. And father just buy them a little gift card, so they're having a field day with their account. I'm gonna go in with some toner first, and my lips are burning. Like, why are my lips burning? I have cotton pads here, and I have the niacinamide brightening toner. What do you knock with 3 nails? Listen, girl, this ain't cute. This is the niacinamide toner that we're going in with. We're just going in, rubbing the brows, and I don't really use much. I don't go ahead and like soak the cotton pad at all. I just lather it enough to help, you know, get in the pores and get all the dirt out. I get my hairline, and this is what we're working with. Super disgusting, I know. So after I go in with my toner, I just fan it a little. What's this line across my forehead? Oh, the hat. Crap, I forgot that I was wearing a hat today. But yeah, currently I have a video out, or not, it's not out yet, so currently I have a video editing for you guys. And when I started this whole vlogging thing, I wanted to do like weekly vlogs, so I'd basically capture my entire week from either the Monday to the Friday, because I do want weekends off. So the plan was to vlog Monday to Friday. Okay? But guys, we reach Monday video and it's 1 hour.
1 hour?
1 whole hour. And that's just one day.
1 hour?
Like I see people who like do weekly vlogs have like 2 hours of footage, and I can now understand why. Because if one day is 1 hour and that's pre-edit, I haven't really cut it down as yet. So that's 1 hour before the editing. So I think after editing I can probably bring it to like 30 minutes, 45 minutes. But the vlogs are so value packed, and I feel like I have so much to say and so much to share. I don't really want to cut it down too much, but I don't want to have long vlogs either. So I may have to go ahead and split it up, because Monday is gonna have to be a vlog in itself, because we got up to so much and I wasn't even realizing that this is how the vlogs are. Like, who knew that my life was so eventful? Because one of the reasons why I kind of shied away from YouTube is because, girl, to be honest, I think I'm boring. I think I live a boring lifestyle. I don't think I do anything out of the ordinary. I don't think I'm an extra person. I'm a homebody at heart. So it's like, I don't know if you guys are gonna, you know, vibe with me in that aspect. But I mean, there are fellow homebodies out there who like my type of content, because I love the type of content that I put out. That's the type of content I watch. I watch moms at home cleaning, just chilling with their kids, cooking, like just homey vibes, cozy vibes. You know, every now and again you go out, you chill, like the burger party and them things. I don't find those types of vlogs entertaining anymore. I mean, if I'm watching a vlog and you're out, then obviously I'm not gonna skip. But if you're like party all week, it's just beer vibes, that's really not my cup of tea at the moment. So yeah, I hope you guys can appreciate just me showing up as I am in my era, whatever era that is. So I have moisturizer now. What's up? You found the price?
Yeah, but I'm paying for your account and my account number. Talk.
What happened? What are you looking for?
Yeah. Oh, there it is. Come here.
So when people do pranks in cars, they really can't see the camera, because the camera is right here, you don't see it. But let's start giving them some props, because you literally didn't see the camera. Oh my god. Alright, cool. Yeah.
Back in our fridge.
Me, Jason, what you mean?
The thing them with on the table is like the head chow and the...
Oh, Icha. Sure, no problem. Guys, you legit did not see the camera. I'm always saying, oh, when people are pull prank, like, it's so obvious that the camera is right there, but I may have been wrong. Maybe them really had the camera good so them can't see, because you know you have fake pranksters out there who act as if, you know, it's not scripted. I mean, you can always tell when the pranks are fake. But I would assume the biggest tell would be that there's literally a camera right in front of your face, especially when it's in a car. I guess in the house you can probably hide it. You can like sneak it in some little, you know, inconspicuous areas. But the car is a dead tell. So yeah, never start pulling some pranks for Mr. Man, because he legit did not see the camera. Anyways, guys, I just went in with some moisturizer. I didn't even show you guys. This is the Estee Lauder night repair moisturizer. So hydrating. As you can see, my skin is literally glowing. Gloss Skin 2025, right? Probably need to take out my jewelry. And it's pretty early. We got back in a little bit earlier than expected, because Jason's dad wants him to come over, so him and him brother go chill with them daddy, and I have a vlog to edit, as I was saying. If you go edit the vlog so you guys can get it on Sunday, because I'm trying to establish a posting schedule. It stands, I definitely want to post on a Sunday. Sundays are like my chill days, and I mean, we're all home, so I'm putting some Vaseline on my lips, and I want to establish a posting schedule here on YouTube. And I think Sundays are a good day. Like, I think Sunday is a good day to post. I also want a weekday, so maybe like midweek there, about like a Wednesday or a Thursday, but I don't want to put them too close together. So I plan to do like dedicated videos plus vlogs. You can get daily vlogs, weekly vlogs, you know, whatever is happening in my life at that time, I'll definitely go ahead and vlog it. But I want to hear from you guys. Let me know which day out of the week is like best for you. Like, which day are you free? I guess weekends, Saturdays and Sundays, which day you'd love for your girl to show up on YouTube and post my vlogs. And as it stands, it will be a Sunday, but I need to decide on a time, because the sweet spot is usually between like 3 o'clock to 6 o'clock. So yeah, anytime between then, you guys should be seeing a video from me. And as usual, thank you so much for your continued support. I really appreciate it, and just this warm welcome back to YouTube is definitely motivating, and it's gonna help to, you know, push me to show up more for you guys and to just share more. Because as much as I come on the internet and share a bunch of stuff, there's like things that I would never speak about, because a part of me is just so guarded, and you know how the internet can be. So I don't really want to put too much out there, especially when you can't really control the narrative as it relates to the info that is out there. And I mean, it's if you know me, I'm totally unbothered, but at the end of the day, it's not just my life that I'm putting out there, it's my kids' lives, my family's lives, friends. So there's that to consider. But you know, I am so grateful for this positive community that I have, you know, created, and that has found me, because really and truly you guys found me. I didn't go looking for you guys, I just put myself out there and you guys came, and I'm super grateful. Thank you so much for the support, and just continue rocking with your girl. We have so much in store. So yeah guys, I'm gonna go jump into some editing and maybe call it a night. Tomorrow is Sunday. I want to go to church, but if we don't get a chance to get up early for church service, we'll catch it online as usual. So yeah, I'll catch up with you guys in the AM. Guys, catch y'all in a bit. Talk back all of this with me like